Hey guys, welcome back to a new video here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm trying out the new Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you'd like to hear my thoughts on the palette and see how to create this look, then please keep on watching. I've already prepped my lid with a little bit of concealer and powder like always. And before I actually apply any eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this cream shadow from Nabla Cosmetics in the shade Dandy as the base. Now it's time for the star of this look, which is the Sultry palette. And I'm first going to pick up the shade Bloom, which is this pretty pink shade. And I'm going to start by applying this in the crease with the fluffy blending brush that comes with the palette. Anastasia eyeshadows are very pigmented, so make sure that you don't use too much on the brush. It's better to build up the color slowly. Now I'm going to flip the brush and use the smaller side, and I'm going to use the same eyeshadow on the inner third of my lid and also on my lower lash line. Next I'm taking a little bit of Birch eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply that shade onto the outer half of my lower lash line. Now for the lid, I'm going to mix Cinder and Cyborg, which are two beautiful metallic shades, and I'm going to press these two onto the entire lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. And I usually always spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray when using metallic shades like this, but I didn't do that today, and as you can see, they look really nice on the lid. To make the look darker and more smoky, I'm now picking up Dystopian on a small pencil brush, and I'm going to add this onto the outer corners and also a little bit in the crease. Again, these are very nice and pigmented, so I'm using a little bit at a time so I can build up the color intensity and blend easier. Also, I think I should mention that these eyeshadows remind me a lot of Anastasia's older eyeshadows, and what I mean by that is that the formula seems different from, let's say, Subculture and Self Glam, so they don't have as much fallout. Now, that's not something that bothered me, but I know a lot of people didn't like those palettes for that reason. Now I'm just going to go in with Pearl eyeshadow and highlight my inner corners. Now I'm going to go in with Noir eyeshadow on an angle brush and apply on the outer half of my lash line, kind of like a liner. And that's it for the eyeshadows. I must really say I'm impressed with this palette, and I actually think this is one of the best ones they've released in a while. For the waterline, I'm going to use two pencils. So first I'm tightlining and lining the outer half of my waterline with the Sigma Longwear eye pencil in Wicked. And then I'm adding the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner crayon in the shade Popular on the inner half of the waterline. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara and my all-time favorite lashes, Russian Blue from Feline Lashes. And you can still use the code EMMA10 to get 10% off all their lashes in case you haven't tried them yet for some weird reason. Then I'm just going to brush away the bake, and that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!